Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the daily market wrap for Wednesday, April 29, 2020, Fed Day. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we left off in the market today. So, bullish day today, right? Up 76 points. We closed over the monthly mid-Bollinger Band, right? Daily chart weekly chart inside, week up. We filled the gap, and now we've entered into this weekly candle here, this prior inside week, as we approach the 30 weekly moving average. Let's say with the daily chart, up off of the upward trend line from yesterday, a little pull back to it, right? But held this this key prior support level and bounced off of that today very nicely with a nice gap up today. Let's take a look at the SPY and look at some price action here today. So SPY, big cup and handle move, right? We're starting to break out of that. Good volume today. So next level up is the 200-day moving average right around 300, right? So if we go to the 15-minute chart, let's take a look. So 15-minute was interesting, right? So we just had kind of a nice bullish move today, and then the Fed came in, and we had a bearish engulfing candle right here, but didn't get any follow through the downside. Gave an inside move up, got real choppy here, and then gave it a little bit of a push into the end of the day over the high of the day. Tweezer tops right there, by the way, for the move down. And then they kind of flushed it into the close, and now looks like there's some pretty good earnings coming after hours. Let's take a look at the futures. Okay, so futures right now kind of recovering from a little bit of an end of the day flush, probably just to perhaps just to shake out any weak hands. We'll be reviewing that when we go live for the futures at the evening open in the group. MES also an inside 15 here too. So let's take a look at the Qs and see how they're behaving here today. So a lot of strength in some of the sectors today. So nice move right here. I think Microsoft was moving up after hours. Right, we'll take a look at that too here in a second. But pretty strong close here. Got over the pivots today. Decent volume came in. So generally still bullish until proven otherwise. Let's take a look at a couple other ones here. So Apple earnings coming up this week, right? So a couple interesting moves on Apple today. It gave a nice move at the open. Okay, coming back, kind of still tagging the upper trend line right here, so still on the other side of the trend line, but again, we're just waiting for earnings on this one. So nice momentum move here at the open, came back even inside 15 at the 15 high and gave a move up. Kind of chopped around here for a little bit. 2B reversal off of this and gave a move up here into the end of the day. Tesla. Okay, so Tesla hasn't reported yet, but it's all over the place. So big lower shadow here before the report, and maybe that was it. They just wanted to kind of push it down a little bit. Now let's see what Tesla's got to do before it has earnings coming up this evening. So that should be pretty interesting there. But before earnings, inside day today on Tesla. A couple ones that have reported. So Facebook, Tesla at 800 by the way. Facebook up 11 points today. It was definitely had some relative strength throughout the day, and then it kind of pulled back a little bit there, but with an upper shadow there. But it looks like it's up after hours. I think they had an earnings beat and a revenue miss, or one versus the other. But a couple nice moves, couple strong moves today. Big move up here, held the 15 order and worked its way up there as well. So Facebook here up nicely after hours. Microsoft also up after hours, so that's definitely, or it was, upper shadow right there right now. So let's see if that can kind of keep some strength going into tomorrow. And then QCOM also reported too. So a lot of bullishness across the names. I saw a lot of strength at the end of the day too in some of the semiconductors. So let's see what kind of follow through we get in these going into tomorrow. So nice strength there on QCOM. So good stuff, guys. Well, I hope everybody has a great rest of your evening. Thank you everyone for tuning in, and hope to see you on the free live stream tonight at 9:30 Eastern Daylight Time and New York time. And so I hope everybody enjoys the rest of your evening. Stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you guys soon.